Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Confirm your SIM type and that your carrier account is active. Next, back up your iPhone to iCloud or Finder so you can revert if needed. Once done, note your IMEI and model in case carrier reprovisioning is required. Make sure Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are off for clear cellular checks. Then open Settings and go straight to Cellular to observe current status and any prompts. This begins the restoration process. You now perform the middle steps that actually restore service. First, toggle airplane mode for about 10 seconds to restart the radios, then check if cellular returns. If not, remove and reinsert the physical SIM or re-download and install the eSIM profile from your carrier's activation link. Next, reset network settings. This clears saved networks and refreshes carrier settings. Once complete, reboot the phone and watch for carrier updates. Finish by installing iOS and carrier settings updates to ensure compatibility. You risk no connectivity without them. Once installed, restart and confirm signal bars and ability to call or use data. If the issue persists, call your carrier to request reprovisioning, IMEI unlock, or a replacement SIM. Explain the steps you already took. One key troubleshooting tip. If you can, insert your SIM into another unlocked phone to determine whether the problem is the line or your iPhone hardware.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.